The competition in the extended range electric vehicle market continues to grow, and Xiaomi has officially entered the race with two ambitious new sport utility vehicles. The company recently introduced the SkyNomad N70 Max and the larger SkyNomad N90 Max, showing that it is not limiting its future to fully electric vehicles. Instead, Xiaomi believes there is still strong demand for vehicles that deliver electric driving for everyday use while offering the convenience of gasoline for much longer journeys. The SkyNomad N70 Max immediately stands out because of its impressive electric driving capability. Xiaomi says the vehicle can travel up to 505 kilometers using electricity alone under the China Light Duty Vehicle Test Cycle. That is a remarkable figure for an extended-range electric vehicle and places the new model among the strongest performers currently available in this growing segment. Unlike many traditional plug-in hybrid vehicles, the SkyNomad models rely on their electric motors to move the vehicle. A 1.5-liter gasoline engine is included, but its primary purpose is to generate electricity for the battery instead of directly powering the wheels. This allows drivers to enjoy the quiet and responsive feeling of an electric vehicle while reducing concerns about finding a charging station during long-distance travel. A 76 kilowatt-hour nickel-manganese cobalt battery sits at the heart of the SkyNomad N70 Max. Power is delivered through a dual-motor all-wheel drive system that produces a combined 416 horsepower. The front motor generates 210 kilowatts, while the rear motor contributes another 100 kilowatts. Together, they provide strong acceleration and confident performance in a wide range of driving conditions. Efficiency was clearly one of Xiaomi's main goals during development. The company says the platform consumes as little as 15.85 kilowatt hours of electricity for every 100 kilometers traveled under the China Light Duty Vehicle Test Cycle. To reach those numbers, engineers focused on lightweight construction, advanced cooling systems, silicon carbide power electronics, and specially designed low rolling resistance tires that help reduce energy consumption. For buyers needing more interior space, Xiaomi also introduced the SkyNomad N90 Max. This larger sport utility vehicle shares much of the same technology as the N70 Max, but offers a roomier cabin designed for families and long trips. It uses the same battery pack and dual motor system while delivering an electric driving range of 464 kilometers. Xiaomi also claims an impressive combined driving range of 1,705 kilometers when both the battery and fuel tank are full. Performance remains impressive despite the larger body. According to Xiaomi, the N90 Max accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 5.9 seconds before reaching a maximum speed of 190 kilometers per hour. The spacious interior features a flexible 7-passenger seating arrangement with sliding second and third row seats that can be adjusted to balance passenger comfort and cargo space. Charging speed is another important selling point. Xiaomi says drivers can recover up to 285 kilometers of driving range in only 15 minutes when using compatible fast charging equipment. Charging the battery from 20% to 80% requires approximately 18 minutes, making quick charging stops much more practical during longer road trips. The company also appears determined to compete aggressively on price. The SkyNomad N70 Max enters the market with a starting price of 259,900 yuan for the highest trim level, while the larger SkyNomad N90 Max begins at 299,900 yuan. Xiaomi has confirmed that additional lower-priced versions will arrive when the lineup officially launches later, giving more buyers access to the new models. Safety was another major focus during the launch event. Xiaomi demonstrated the N90 Max in a demanding test that simulated simultaneous tire failures while the vehicle was carrying 7 occupants and traveling at high speed. According to the company, the vehicle maintained stability and remained controllable until it came to a safe stop, highlighting the effectiveness of its chassis and electronic control systems. The arrival of the Sky Nomad lineup marks another significant step in Xiaomi's automotive journey. By combining long electric driving range, rapid charging, practical family transportation, strong performance, and competitive pricing, the company is aiming to attract buyers who want the benefits of electric driving without sacrificing long-distance convenience. As these new models prepare to reach customers, they could become some of the most closely watched extended-range electric vehicles of the year.